Nikki, say good morning, Mama. Oh my God. Go get your tea. I don't think that's good toy for you, Boo Boo. This one. Lucas! Pumpkin. Nikki. What are you looking for? Nothing? Who's school? Pumpkin, say cheese. Peekaboo! Hi, Lucas. Can you climb? I know you shouldn't do that, but... Mama, help? Come here. Up.
Whoa.
Go press the toy for your brother, Nikki. Go play the butterfly. Butterfly. Play the music in the butterfly. Tea? I don't want a tea. Thank you. Your brother's trying to read something. Go help him. Help him. Go give it to him. Oh. Are you gonna play with your brother, Nikki? What? Nikki, look at Mama. Wanna watch the Juliana? What? All done?